ain't shit. But now I want some your shit. After y'all can't handle me, and that must be no split. All I get is money, y'all got that looking stupid. Don't tell that he talking shit. Look at it, useless. See, I get money, stack it up, and then I go out for it. Say you stacking money, yeah, you on the project. Stack up with that you that's not in my city. I see you got a couple haters, you see I got plenty. And I don't let play outside and they not real enough for me. If you grew up where I live, it be a different story. And I don't listen to you niggas, cause you niggas are trouble. I just stick for my niggas, and watch everything double.